Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Subaru Outback tail light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a new bulb. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a flat surface and the engine is off for safety. Having the right bulb is crucial, so double-check your owner's manual or the old bulb specifications. This simple repair can save you a trip to the mechanic and is quite straightforward. Now, let's get to the tail light. Open your Subaru Outback's rear hatch to give yourself ample working space. Inside the trunk, near the tail light you want to replace, you'll find a small access panel. This panel usually has one or two retaining clips or screws. Carefully remove these fasteners to open the panel, revealing the back of the tail light assembly. Take your time to avoid damaging any plastic components. With the access panel open, you'll see the back of the bulb socket. To remove it, twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn until it loosens. Then, gently pull the entire socket straight out from the tail light housing. The old bulb simply pulls out of the socket. Take your new bulb, and without touching the glass with your bare hands, push it firmly into the socket until it's secure. Oils from your skin can shorten the bulb's life. Once the new bulb is in place, reinsert the socket into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise to lock it. Then, replace the access panel, ensuring all clips and screws are securely fastened. Before you close everything up, hop into your Outback and turn on your headlights and brake lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. This quick check ensures your hard work paid off. Finally, check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.